Hi. Okay. Okay. Good evening, friends. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Karthik ji is out of station. Okay. Okay. No issue, sir. Okay. Sir, I will share the recording with you. Okay. Karthik ji is busy somewhere. Okay. So, friends, good evening, everyone. Once again, I wish you every good luck uh, and I congratulate everybody for taking your decision to learn. So, friends, in stock market, it's not easy to earn money. Okay, making money from stock market is not easy without learning, because friends, we have to understand each and everything. Just like we go for some formal studies, formal education, to take some job of somewhere around 20, 30,000, 50,000, whatever. Okay, so we take some formal education. Okay, so just like we take some formal education to get some good job. Okay, to take some good job from to for making a livelihood. Okay, so in the same way, friends, if we want to be successful in market, so we must need to study. Okay, if we don't study or we don't learn, we can't make money. Okay, because it's not easy to make money from stock market, because there are various experts, friends. So actually making money from market means we have to, it's a kind of, we can say, war or fight or whatever we say. So we have to win from those. Okay, so in order to win in market, we must need some knowledge. Okay, just like a warrior. Okay, just like a warrior goes in the war. Okay, he goes in the field. So if he doesn't know how to use a weapon, so how can he win? It's not easy for a warrior to win unless he has some skills. So in the same way, friends, if we want to make money from the stock market, we need some skills. Okay, so that's why learning is very, very important. Okay, but mostly people, they are not interested in learning. They are interested in just making money, which is not possible without learning. So proper knowledge is very important, friends. Okay, so you all have joined this session, so I will try my best to give you the best things. Okay, so that you can make money slowly, but in a proper and regular way. Okay, so friends, technical analysis is the art and science of forecasting the future price movement of stocks based on its past price movements. Okay, so I will repeat it in Hindi also. सो फ्रेंड्स, मार्केट में अगर आपको पैसा बनाना है तो मार्केट को आपको समझना होगा, सीखना होगा. ठीक है, मार्केट कैसे काम करता है, उसका क्या तरीका है, कैसे वो काम कर रहा है, वो चीज़ आपको समझनी होगी. अगर आप मार्केट को बिना सीखे आप बोलेंगे कि आप मार्केट से पैसा बनाएंगे, तो ये एक बहुत मतलब कि आप ऐसी सिचुएशन है जैसे आप ये बोलेंगे कि एक वॉरियर है, एक कोई पर्सन एक वॉर में जा रहा है, किसी लड़ाई में जा रहा है, जंग में जा रहा है, एक योद्धा की तरह. ठीक है, लेकिन उसको कुछ भी चलाना नहीं आता, कोई हथियार चलाना नहीं आता, उसके पास कोई स्किल नहीं है. तो बिना किसी स्किल के वो बोलेगा कि मैं भाई कोई वॉर जीत लूँगा, वो बहुत मुश्किल है दोस्तों, वो इजी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो मतलब अगर आपको कोई चीज़ करनी है तो उसके लिए आपको वो चीज़ सीखना ज़रूरी है. ओके, क्योंकि देखो हमारे यहाँ पे बुल एंड बेयर्स की वॉर है. ठीक है, सो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ वॉर ऑफ बुल एंड बेयर्स. इन सिंपल टर्म आई वुड से that market is actually a fight or war going between bulls and bears, and every second there's a fight going between bulls and bears. So we must have some skills to win over bulls or bears. Okay, so only then we can be successful. Without any skill we cannot be successful. Okay, so friends, मार्केट में जीतने के लिए आपको कुछ स्किल्स, कुछ नॉलेज चाहिए, राइट. उस नॉलेज के बिना आप मार्केट से पैसा नहीं बना सकते हो. ओके, तो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जो है, इसमें देखो हम क्या करते हैं, हम जो है हमारे पास कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, सिंपली अगर हम सिंपल भाषा में बोलेंगे तो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जो है आर्ट और साइंस है, जिसके बेसिस पे हम क्या करते हैं, किसी भी स्टॉक की पास्ट प्राइस मूवमेंट के बेसिस पे, इनकी पिछले लेवल पे स्टॉक्स में क्या हुआ है, पास्ट में क्या हुआ है, उस चीज़ को समझते हुए हम उसको फ्यूचर में उसको प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि इसका मूवमेंट किस साइड होगा. ठीक है, तो यही चीज़ हम करते हैं, और ये प्योरली एक साइंस है दोस्तों, इसमें कोई वो नहीं है, मतलब कि ये मतलब कि इसको हम किसी ज्योतिष विद्या से नहीं जोड़ सकते. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट एस्ट्रोलॉजी फ्रेंड्स. it's not astrology, it's a pure science. So we have to understand that technical analysis is pure science, it's not astrology. So many people, you know, they pray to God, okay, वो भगवान से प्रार्थना करता है कि God make this stock, let move this stock from this level to this level, okay. So that is not possible, friends. So praying to God is, you know, that is one thing. But if you think that by your praise, if stock moves in your desired direction, that is not possible. So many a time this happens to everybody. You might all have experienced this thing, that when our trade goes wrong, so we try to, you know, keep praying continuously to God, so that okay, the stock moves in our, you know, in our direction, the direction we want it, okay. But that is not possible, friends. By chance it moves sometime due to some other reason, okay. So we feel that God or someone has some you know, some natural power has done this, but that is not the truth, okay. So friends, we have to understand this thing, ओके. सो दोस्तों, आपको ये चीज़ समझनी होगी कि मार्केट में अगर आपको क्या बोलते हैं कि मार्केट जो एक प्योर साइंस है, इसको आपको समझना होगा, ठीक है. अगर साइंस, आर्ट और साइंस है, इसको आपको समझना होगा. अगर आप मार्केट को नहीं समझते हैं तो आप मार्केट से पैसा नहीं बना सकते, राइट. सो फ्रेंड्स, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, यू नो, इट बिलीव्स इन 3 पैरामीटर्स. देयर आर 3 थिंग्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल स्टार्ट विद टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल स्टार्ट विद टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एंड स्लोली once we cover the technical part, then I will you know, shift to fundamental part also, because fundamental things are also very important. If we want to make money for long term perspective, we have to look at the fundamentals also of the stock also, okay. But that part I will discuss later, okay. First I will start with technical part, okay. So in technical analysis, we look at the chart, we look at the prices of the stocks, and take some decision. Looking at the chart or the past price movements of the stocks, we take some decision that the stock will go you know, in upward or downward direction, wherever it will go. So that is based on our, you know, experiences and learning, okay, right friends. So technical analysis believes there are 3 parameters of the technical analysis, okay. One is, you know, market discount everything. This is first assumption of the technical analysis, that market discounts everything. Means if there is a good or bad news related to company, related to, you know, overall general market, overall national or international levels, there is some news, okay. So that thing, you know, that thing will be, it's whatever effect is, it is likely to happen in our life or in our day-to-day life or wherever, okay. So it will be reflected in the price of the stock, okay. So this assumption is called market discount everything. Just like look at this big red candle, friends. Looking at this big candle, it is clearly, you know, understood that something is there, something negative is there, okay. So that has made this stock to fall down with this very big candle, okay. So this is called market discounts everything. Means market, you know, it decides the things, okay, based on some news or some information, okay. So that is very, very important, that we have to understand that whatever good or bad is there related to some company or some stock, that will be reflected in the charts. Or simply I will say one simple thing, friends. Just look at this stock from this beginning level, where my cursor is there. You could see here that the stock was trading in this range. The stock was trading in the price of 48, 46, 48, okay. So from a level of 48, but this was in the year somewhere around 2008, 8-9. You could see here from 2007, 8, 9. You could see here. Yes, look at this, 2007, 8, 9. So look at this level, friends. In this period, okay. So somewhere we can say from 2007 to 2009. The stock was in a very narrow range of somewhere from 45 to somewhere around 78, friends. It was the narrow range for about 2 years. Stock was trading in a very narrow range, okay. And you could see here, once from that level stock has moved up, it has given a very good movement upside. So it is clearly visible that something good is there related to this company, that has made its price to rise higher, okay. So this is called market discount everything. means there is some, if some company there is something good or some company is doing well, okay, so surely the stock price would rise. But if there is something negative, something related to management or company or anything, okay, or some, you know, there are different, you know, factors, just like from government side there is some decision by the government to on some products of different companies, okay, so based on those you know things, the stocks will do good or bad. But surely look at this portion from 2009 onwards, how this stock has rallied. It has rallied up, okay, with a very good up movement. Okay, from 2009 onwards, this stock has moved up into, look at up to 2013, 14, okay. By 2015, it had made from range of 45, it has moved up to 264. Look at this big rally, friends. This is a very big rally, okay. You could see there are some, you know, red candles are also there, but overall the market direction, overall trend of the stock was greatly upward. It has given a great upward movement. Then after at this level, then it has shown some correction, healthy correction, okay. It has shown some healthy correction, then again moved up. Again at this big candle, it has given some downward movement and again moved up, okay. So friends, this is called the market discount everything. Friends, are you getting my voice? I could see there is some message, okay, that there is some network issue. Is my voice clear, friends? Hello? Are you able to understand, friends? I will just do it in Hindi also. I will just say in Hindi also. So friends, market में market जो है थ्री assumption पे काम करता है. पहला assumption मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, market जो है हर चीज़ को डिस्काउंट करता है. मतलब मार्केट जो है, मार्केट के हिसाब से मतलब क्या होगा कि हर एक स्टॉक की जो प्राइस है ना, हर एक कंपनी में क्या भी कुछ अच्छा बुरा कोई भी न्यूज़ है या कोई भी जो गवर्नमेंट का कोई डिसीजन है किसी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर, किसी कंपनी के ऊपर, तो वो हमें जो है वो चीज़ हमें चार्ट पे दिखाई देगी, उसके प्राइसेस पे दिखाई देगी. ठीक है, अगर हम चार्ट को अच्छे से देख लें, उसको चार्ट को देख के हमको समझ आएगा कि उस कंपनी में क्या काम चल रहा है. ठीक है, वो कंपनी अच्छा कर रही है या बुरा कर रही है, या वो कंपनी अच्छी है या बुरी है. हम इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में ये भी बोल सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, वी कैन सिंपली से इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, स्पीकिंग इट, saying in simple words that company is good or bad, that will be reflected in its price. If a stock price is rising, just like look at this portion, it is going higher with a very strong upside movement at an angle of 45 degree. Look at this, it is making a 45 degree angle. So this is a very important angle. If a stock is shown with the movement of 45 degree movement, that gives a wonderful movement. That's a wonderful movement. So you always keep this thing in mind. If you get some stock in on daily chart also, and 1 minute to we can say 15 minutes time frame also, if you get a stock is moving in this way, that it makes 45 degree angle, so that's a clear indication that stock would rise. Okay, it will surely give a good movement upside. But if there is a sharp rise, just like look at this portion, this one big candle, another big candle, okay, there is a sharp movement. In case there is a sharp movement more than we can say 70, 80 degree, 90 degree somewhere, look at this, so that maybe you know there are high chance of reversal. There are high chance of reversal. So this is one point I am adding in addition to what I am saying. Okay, so look at this movement. This is a 45 degree movement, and it has rallied from this range of 45 to 70, 80 range. It has moved up to 264, 65 level. It has given a wonderful movement, friends. So it is clearly reflecting, ये आपको clearly दिखा रहा है दोस्तों कि जो इतनी बड़ी मूवमेंट आई है स्टॉक में 45 डिग्री के एंगल पे, ये क्लियरली शो कर रहा है कि स्टॉक जो है ये बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, कंपनी में कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. कंपनी सर मीन्स कि आप इसको सिंपली बोलेंगे तो ये एक अच्छी कंपनी है. यानी कि अगर आपको किसी भी कंपनी को समझना है कि कंपनी अच्छी या बुरी है, आप उसके चार्ट को देखिए, चार्ट से खुद समझ आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो अगर कंपनी में कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, कोई अच्छी न्यूज़ है या कंपनी की ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है, तो वो उसके चार्ट पे उसकी प्राइस में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. लेकिन अगर कोई कंपनी में कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, उसके अंदर से कोई मैनेजमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ गवर्नमेंट इश्यूज़ हैं, ठीक है, बहुत सी चीज़ें हो सकती है, बहुत सारे फैक्टर हो सकते हैं, तो वो उसकी प्राइस पे खुद रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. फ्रेंड्स, वो चीज़ आपको चार्ट्स पे दिखाई देगी. right? So friends, technical analysts do not believe in studying the fundamental analysis. Okay, they don't study the details of the company. They look at the prices, they look at the price behavior of the stock, and accordingly take some decision to enter and exit. Okay, so technical analysts totally believe in the price and the charts. They don't go in the details of the fundamental analysis, but in fundamental analysis, we study the about the company, about their working, their management, okay, their quarterly results, okay, yearly results, okay. So we study different things, their expansion plans, we study different things. We study market cap, we study PE ratio and different things, friends. But a technical analyst do not study all these things. A technical analyst simply looks at the price and looking at the price behavior, he takes some decision. Okay, so friends, hopefully this assumption of the market working and market behavior is clear to everybody. That market discount everything is this clear? Market discount everything means the whatever good or bad is there related to a company, that will be reflected in the price. Okay, so surely look at this red candle, surely there is something negative that would have led to this stock to fall from a level. Yeah, it made a high of 368 somewhere, okay, and it has given a closing at 285. So surely there is something, maybe some good news is there also in that. It is actually monthly chart, friends. So in this month the stock has given a very big movement. Let me just check it from what level. Yeah, from 276.40 it has moved to 367.70, approximately 100 points movement, approximately we could say about 90 points movement, friends. Okay, so stock has given 90 points movement in 1 month. In the month of, we can see the month also, it's in the month of July 2017. Okay, stock has given a movement of about 90 points. So there is surely something good. Okay, initially there might be some good news or something good was there that has made the stock to move up to this higher level of 367. But maybe there is profit booking or something, okay, that would have led to stock to fall down to level of 276. Okay, so this is 1 month's candle, so that clearly shows that market, how the market discount the stock. Okay, friends, this is one assumption. Second assumption is history repeats, history repeats itself. So means if we look at some past price behavior of the stock, if same thing, same situation repeats in the present situation also, so we could expect the same results as it has given in the past, right? Means looking at the past price movements of the stock, we could take some decision. Okay, if something just look at this level, that stock was let me just explain it. Yes, look at this level, friends, because I am looking at the monthly chart. You could see here, friends, stock has taken some 2-3 months here in this range. Stock has taken 2-3 months, even 4 months also in this range. Actually, I'm telling about in this range. Actually, there is a range of around 200. So stock has taken 3 to 4 months to cross this level. Once this level was crossed, level of 200 was crossed, it has made up to 261, 65 somewhere. Then it has fallen down to this level. But see, looking at the past level, the level of the past, where it has taken a tough we can say resistance to cross this level. Okay, now this time the stock has fallen down, but it has not gone below this level. Means it has taken support of the past level, the level from which stock has moved up. Okay, so the level where that was acting as a resistance initially, once that level was broken, stock has moved up to 260, 265 somewhere. And once after this fall, there is a fall also on monthly chart, stock has came to this level. It has given a dip up to 177 also. Okay, but look at this monthly and monthly chart, it has given a closing of somewhere around 197. So means in the range of 200 again. So this level acted as a support. Now this time initially it was in this level. When the stock was here, it was acting as a resistance level. Once crossed and stock came down to this level, it acted as a support. So here it has supported the chart. Okay, so from this level stock has again rallied up. It moved up to somewhere around what is this price level? Yeah, 366. ओके सो इसने दोस्तों इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट दिया, तो ये 5 प्राइस मूवमेंट के बेसिस पे, राइट फ्रेंड्स. सो लुक एट दिस लेवल. एक्चुअली stock was initially facing this level. It was at a tough level for the stock to cross. Once crossed, it took somewhere around 4-5 months. Look at these candles. Okay, it took somewhere around 4-5 months to cross this level. Once crossed, it made a high of somewhere around 268 high, and then it fallen down to made a low of 178.67 and a high of 217. Okay friends, so this time, look at this time, the stock was once fallen down to this level, but it has taken support of the previous level. So this is where the history repeated again. So what has happened from this level, the stock has moved up from this level. Okay, it moved up to 268. It moved from 200 level, it moved up to 268. So once stock has fallen down to this level, again it has fallen down to 200 level, it again moved up. It did not broke this level of 200. We can say it's a rounding figure friends, somewhere around in the range. It's a range actually, it's not a one price level, it's a range actually. Okay, so it has came to range of 200 again, and again rallied up. You could see here the rally. Yeah, look at this level, it has just once gone to that past level. Okay, so see here again history has repeated here. Look at this, one stock made this high, it has fallen down, and look at this level. From this level stock has taken support and moved up. Okay, it came to this level, the level from where stock has fallen down, level of 263, somewhere 260, 265. So look at this level, stock has again fallen down, but this time the fall was smaller compared to previous fall. Okay, so means some profit booking has came at this level. In the level of 263, 65, again some profit booking came, and stock has given somewhat downward fall, but this time it has taken support of this level only. It has not gone to previous level of 200. It took support of somewhere around 230. Okay, and again moved up, and this time this month it has rallied up to 67.70. Okay, but closing was 276.40. Okay, so means it has made fresh high, and it has fallen down. But see, look at this level friends. Now this level of 260, we can say 260, 265 level, this level acted as a support for the stock. It has fallen maximum up to 250, somewhere 250 level. From this rally of 367 level, the lifetime high, okay, it has came down to 250 level. So here it took support of 250, 60 level, it took support again and again moved up. So this time it is again it has recently made a high up to 320 to 23. Let me just this time again recently friends, in 2-3 trading session, 2 to 3 days back, it has made a high of 322.95. okay, and now it has given a closing at 310, right friends. So it is actually at the level that stock can make a further high. It is now ready to go further higher. Okay, so there are high chances for the stock to go higher. Okay, so we are expecting somewhere the stop loss of somewhere around 300. Okay, we can be in position with this stock. Okay, and expect a target, minimum target of 350. So I am expecting a minimum target of 350 for this stock of ITC. Okay, so it has the high chances of going further also, but minimum it should go to this level of 350. If it maintains its position above 300 level. If 300 is broken, then it can go further down also, somewhere around, we cannot say that. Okay, but looking at this condition, it has once go to this level of somewhere around 350, even 400 also. Okay. So friend, this is second assumption of the market, that market works on second assumption, that is history repeats itself. So I have shown you few examples at like this level stock has faced some it was a tough level for the stock to cross. Once crossed, it managed to make a fresh lifetime high up 268. Again, one stock gives a moment. Okay, what happened? Some profit booking came. So with some profit booking, stock has given some healthy correction. It has came down to this level of 200. Okay, and again moved up to this level of 263. But after a very small healthy correction, it has again moved up to, this time it made the lifetime high of 367.70. And now there is again a healthy correction. We can say there is a healthy correction in this range, but you could see here the stock has remained in this level for a very long time. You could look at these candle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So means approximately for 10 months to 1 year, it has remained in a range, in this range, in the range of 286 to 250 to 286, 86 85 somewhere. It was in the range. Now it has crossed that range, so there are high chances of the stock to go somewhere around 350 or even 400 also. Okay, so minimum target I am expecting for ITC is 350. Okay, provided all the market conditions remain positive. It depends on the market conditions also. Then just like if Nifty keeps on falling, okay, if the whole market will keep falling, so there are high chances that every stock will fall. Okay, right friends? So have you got this second assumption also, that history repeats itself? So I have shown you some examples also with okay, that how the stock has moved up to some level and again moved down and again took support of previous levels. Okay, so means here history has repeated. So the level once that was a resistance level, that became a support at this level, and now it once stock came here and it moved up to this level. Okay, the level from which stock has fallen, it has fallen down from level of 268. It fallen down to somewhere around 200, again moved up to that level, but there is a healthy correction from this level. So for 3 months stock, 3 to 4 months stock remained in this level. Okay, from moved on again, crossed this level. Right friends? So this is second assumption, that history repeats itself. Okay, so this thing is clear friends. First is market discount everything. Okay, second is history repeats itself, and third is stocks move in a sorry, that is, we call it as a 1 minute friends. Yeah, this is the third assumption is that market moves in a particular, we can say in a proper trend or in a direction. Just look at this level, the stock was in uptrend, so it is continuously moving up. Okay, here in this level it has given some big healthy correction also. Okay, so friends, we have to understand the trend, that stocks move in a trend. So we have to understand the trend, that what is the overall trend of the stock. Okay, look at this from past level, the stock was in uptrend. Here it has shown some, we can say it's a healthy correction. We cannot say it's a downtrend friends. It's a small, looking at the monthly chart, it's a healthy correction. It has come to a level, it's called we can say it's an opportunity for the investors to buy, because overall condition, if looking at this overall movement of the stock, it has moved from the level of 45, I just shown you from the range of 40-45, stock has moved up to 368, sorry 67, approximately 68 we can say. Okay, so overall trend of the stock is up, it's an overall uptrend. Here in this level, the stock has shown some, we can say, downtrend also, as the trend was changed. Once it made a lifetime high of 368, approximately 368, it has given a healthy correction to this level. It has came to a, we can say, accumulation level. Look at this level, it has came to the level, okay, from where stock has again rallied up. So overall trend of the stock is up. The overall trend of the stock is up, means it's this this narrow range was an accumulation period. Stock remained there for 10 months to approximately 10 to 11 months, we can say here. Stock remained in this narrow range, but it is now again its trend is again now changed, and it is again moving in the same trend, in the same direction. It has again started upward movement. Okay, so this time I am expecting it to make a fresh high somewhere around 400 at least, maybe 400, 450 also, but surely it will try to make a fresh high. But yes, once it will reach in this range of 350, 360 somewhere, it will show some healthy correction, just like this level of from the level of 260. It has fallen down to little bit of 231 also, somewhere this healthy correction. So after once touching this level of 350, 360 somewhere, so it can show a little downward movement also, but that will be an opportunity for the new investors to enter. Okay friends, so this is the third assumption, that markets move in a trend. So we have to understand the trend, and the trend is there's a simple saying that trend is our friend. So friends, we should try to go with the trend. Always try to find the trend of the market. Okay, if we understand the trend, okay, so accordingly we should take a long or short position. So means while we are trading, just like in intraday basis also, if we are trading in a stock, so we have to look at the overall trend of the stock. If the stock is in uptrend in monthly, weekly and daily charts, and in 5 minutes to 15 minutes, or even we can say in daily chart, means from 1 minute to 15 minutes, its stock is in uptrend, so we should go long. Okay, we should go long in the stock. So there are high chances for the stock to keep moving in the same direction. So understanding the trend is very important. If we understand the trend, we can make some we can make money. But if we don't understand the trend of the stock, so there is a confusion. Okay, it is not always that wherever we buy, that stock will go higher also. It may come down also. Sometimes it can hit our stop losses also. But we have to understand the overall trend of the stock. What is the overall trend? So looking at the overall trend, we should take decision to go long or short as per the direction of the trend. Okay, so many a time our stop losses may be hit. Okay, but stop loss is actually a level, is a that is actually safety point, friends. Stop loss is a very important and safety point. Okay, so friends, are these three assumptions of the market behavior clear to everybody? So I will just repeat in एक बार में friends, I will just repeat in Hindi also. So friends, मार्केट में तीन तरह की जो है मार्केट के काम करने का तीन तरीके से मार्केट जो है काम करता है. सबसे पहली चीज़ है, मार्केट जो है हर एक चीज़ को डिस्काउंट करता है. यानी कि जो भी कोई स्टॉक में अच्छा, कोई कुछ भी अच्छा या बुरा जो उसके साथ चल रहा होगा, कोई भी उसके कोई न्यूज़ है, कुछ भी, ठीक है, अच्छी बुरी न्यूज़ है, या कंपनी के रिगार्डिंग कुछ भी, या कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का डिसीजन है, या जो ओवरऑल ग्लोबल मार्केट, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में कुछ कोई उथल पुथल हो रही है, ठीक है, तो वो स्टॉक की प्राइसेस पे शो होगी. दूसरी चीज़ है कि हिस्ट्री जो है, जैसे देखो हिस्ट्री ना रिपीट होती है, मतलब ठीक है, जो चीज़ें पास्ट में हुई, अगर वही सिचुएशन वैसा ही कुछ फ्यूचर में भी होगा, तो वैसा हमें उस टाइप का मूवमेंट हमें स्टॉक में देखने को मिलेगा. और तीसरी चीज़ है कि मार्केट जो है एक ट्रेंड में काम करता है. मतलब कि ट्रेंड, हमें मार्केट में जब काम करें तो हमें स्टॉक का ट्रेंड को समझना होगा कि स्टॉक अप ट्रेंड में है या डाउन ट्रेंड में है. तो अगर हम इस चार्ट को, जितना चार्ट मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ ITC का, ये ओवरऑल ट्रेंड आपको आप दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है. यहाँ से तो बिल्कुल सीधा सीधा अप ट्रेंड था, ठीक है, यहाँ तक अप ट्रेंड था. उसके बाद यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक हेल्दी हम कह सकते हैं करेक्शन हुआ है, ठीक है. 268 लेवल से स्टॉक में हेल्दी करेक्शन हुआ है 200 लेवल पे, ठीक है. और फिर से स्टॉक ने अप ट्रेंड बना के यहाँ पे ये स्टॉक जो है 367-68 के पास एक बार हाई बना के ये फिर से एक इसने यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं थोड़ा सा एक डाउन ट्रेंड आया हुआ. लेकिन ये अगर हम ओवरऑल चार्ट को देखेंगे तो ये लेवल जो है ये इसने पिछले लोज को नहीं तोड़ा फ्रेंड्स. इसने पिछले लोज को नहीं तोड़ा स्टॉक में. ये देखिए यहाँ पे एक लो लेवल था, ये स्टॉक दोबारा इस लेवल पे आया ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी रेंज में रहा, काफ़ी देर तक यहाँ रहा स्टॉक, लेकिन ये रेंज इसने वापस नहीं छुआ. 122 का लेवल, 120-22 का लेवल स्टॉक में वापस दिखने को नहीं मिला आपको. एक बार जब स्टॉक ने 200 के लेवल क्रॉस कर लिया, यहाँ से एक बार यहाँ से क्रॉस होकर ऊपर चला गया, लेकिन यहाँ पे जब वापस करेक्शन करके आया तो इसने ये पिछला लेवल 200 का जो लेवल था इसने वो मेंटेन रखा है, यहाँ से वो स्टॉक नीचे नहीं गया क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे, और इसने एक फ्रेश लेवल बना लिया यहाँ पे, सॉरी फ्रेश लेवल यहाँ पे बना लिया, ठीक है। अब इस बार स्टॉक में जो करेक्शन हुई है, यहाँ जो करेक्शन हुई है इसको हम जो एक हेल्दी करेक्शन बोलेंगे, क्योंकि स्टॉक ने अपने पिछले लेवल को नहीं तोड़ा है। 230 के लेवल जो उसने रिसेंटली बनाया था 230 के लेवल, ये स्टॉक में 230 लेवल आपको वापस दिखाई नहीं दिया। 250 तक इसने जो है लो बनाया हुआ है, 368 का हाई बना के 250 तक ये आया हुआ है, ठीक है, लेकिन इसने अपना जो है ये लेवल पिछला लेवल जो है ब्रोक नहीं किया, और यहाँ से स्टॉक अब फिर से जो है रेडी है अपवर्ड मूव करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो मैं मिनिमम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि स्टॉक 350 टू 400 के लेवल में कहीं तक ये जा सकता है, एटलीस्ट पिछले लेवल को एक बार जरूर छुएगा, 360 60 70 समवेयर, सॉरी कितना है या यस 368 है ना, 368 है, तो 365 65 370 के लेवल को एक बार जरूर ये छुएगा, ठीक है, इस लेवल को ये जरूर टच करेगा एक बार दोस्तों, और अगर उस लेवल को ये क्लोज करता है उसके ऊपर तो देन श्योरली इट कैन गो टू 400 तक या उसके ऊपर भी जा सकता है, ठीक है। बट अगर अभी हम देख सकते हैं तो इसने ये जो रेंज ब्रेक था, जो इसका 10-11 महीने का जो रेंज था 300 के लेवल का, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि 290 300 के लेवल का जो रेंज था, इस स्टॉक ने वो रेंज को तोड़ दिया। अभी ये 310 के लेवल पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, तो मतलब अभी ये अपने इसने एक रेंज ब्रेकआउट किया दोस्तों, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ रेंज ब्रेकआउट। ये मंथली चार्ट पे मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको कि एक रेंज में था स्टॉक, मंथली चार्ट में इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ ताकि आपको एक अच्छे से स्टॉक का पूरा जो है आइडिया हो जाए कि ये क्या कहाँ पर था स्टॉक, ठीक है। और अभी मैं इसमें एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि मिनिमम एक बार स्टॉक जो है अगर ये 300 को ब्रेक नहीं करता है, अगर स्टॉक 300 के लेवल को मेंटेन करता है तो इसमें बहुत हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है, इसके बहुत हाई चांसेस हैं कि स्टॉक एक बार 350-60 लेवल को एक बार जरूर टच होगा, ठीक है, यहाँ तक ये जरूर जाएगा, और बहुत जल्दी हम देख सकते हैं कि बहुत जल्दी ये स्टॉक यहाँ जा सकता है, इसके बहुत हाई चांसेस हैं स्टॉक के यहाँ जाने के। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये तीनों एग्जाम्पशन मैंने आपको समझा दी हैं कि मार्केट कैसे काम करता है और मार्केट का आपको कोई भी बल्कि कैसे आप इसको समझ सकते हैं। So friends, hopefully these three assumptions of the market behavior is clear to everybody, that how stock market works. Just I am telling you about a technical point of view, just giving you a technical point of view that how the market works and what are the assumptions. See, there are three assumptions of the market and which stock market the technical analysis works. Okay, so hopefully these three assumptions are clear to everybody. So friends, if you have any query, any question, you can please ask me. दोस्तों अगर आपको कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आई, आप मुझसे पूछिए, मैं आपको उसको क्लियर करूंगा, क्योंकि जो मैंने कुछ आपको बेसिक सी चीज़ें समझाई हैं, बहुत सिंपल वर्ड्स में मैंने आपको कोशिश करी सिंपल वर्ड्स में समझाने की, लेकिन अगर आपको कोई चीज़ क्लियर नहीं हुई है तो आप मुझसे पूछिए। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज आस्क मी इफ एनीथिंग इज नॉट क्लियर। आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट व्हाट इज टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, देन थ्री assumption of the market, that how the technical analysis works. So if anything is not clear to anybody, please tell me. Okay sir, Sujit ji said all okay. Friends, don't hesitate, always be don't hesitate, okay, ask me if anything is not clear. I am trying my best to give it in very simple words so that everybody can understand, and I am trying in both languages. सर मैंने एक सिंपली ट्रेंड लाइन ली है सर, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ली है सर, मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको। ये मैं यहाँ से चला गया, यहाँ पे मैं जो आप देख सकते हैं एक पेंसिल का आइकन है, यहाँ पे एक पेंसिल का आइकन दिख रहा है आपको ड्रॉ का, ठीक है। यहाँ ड्रॉ में जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे कुछ टूल्स का ऑप्शन आता है सर, यहाँ पे टूल्स का ऑप्शन आता है। अब अगर मैं इसको एक बार यहाँ से चेंज करूँगा ना, अगर मैं यहाँ से देखो अभी तो नहीं दिखाई देगा, अगर मैं इस पर क्लिक करता हूँ एक बार तो यहाँ पे टूल्स का एक बार दिखाई देता है। मैं किसी और चार्ट को दिखाता हूँ आपको, एक बार मैं किसी और स्टॉक को आपको दिखाऊंगा, उसमें आपको पता चलेगा। जैसे मैं कैपिटल फर्स्ट का करता हूँ, अगर मैं कैपिटल फर्स्ट का यूज़ करता हूँ, ठीक है, इसको मैं एक बार इसको फुल स्क्रीन कर देता हूँ। एक बार मैं इसको फुल स्क्रीन करूँगा। ओके, तो ये फुल स्क्रीन चार्ट आ गया हमारे पास, मंथली चार्ट में दिखा रहा हूँ आपको। ओके, अभी आपको जो आपको इसमें जो मैंने लाइन आपको सपोर्ट लाइन मैंने बताई है, सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस लाइन, ठीक है, वो लाइन को ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे सर। सॉरी, मैं इस पेंसिल के आइकन पे क्लिक करूंगा और यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट टूल करके आ रहा है, सेलेक्ट टूल पे आपको फिर से क्लिक करना होगा और यहाँ से आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको दिखाई दे रही हैं। इसमें से मैंने हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन चूज़ की है, हॉरिजॉन्टल को चूज़ किया, इस पर मैं क्लिक करूँगा और ये आपको यहाँ से आप कलर चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, आप कोई भी कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं। इवन आप इसका थिकनेस भी बढ़ा सकते हैं, यहाँ से इसको थिकनेस बढ़ाना हो कि कितनी आपको मोटी लाइन चाहिए, पतली लाइन चाहिए, ठीक है, डॉट में चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए, वो आप अलग अलग इसमें आप देख सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली, ठीक है, वो आप यहाँ से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। उस सॉरी, आप ये तो बाई चांस हो गया कि यहाँ पे लग गया, अब आप जहाँ पर भी क्लिक करोगे चार्ट पे, वहाँ पे वो लाइन डल जाएगी। देखो मैं सिंपली ऐसे कर रहा हूँ तो ये लाइन्स डलती जा रही हैं, ये मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। अभी मैं आपको क्या करूँगा, मैं दिखाऊँगा कि स्टेप वाइज हम कैसे किसी लेवल को मार्क कर सकते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये चार्ट में कुछ लेवल बना हुआ है, ठीक है, एक रेंज बना है स्टॉक का, ये लेवल एक बहुत बड़ा मेजर जो है सपोर्ट लेवल है स्टॉक का, और ये कुछ लेवल है जहाँ पे इसने एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया है, जहाँ से स्टॉक फॉल हुआ है, ठीक है। एक बार तो यहाँ लाइफ टाइम हाई से ये स्टॉक गिरा हुआ है। ओके, ऐसे ऐसे करके हम ये लेवल्स मार्क करते जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो ये मैं अगले टॉपिक में आपको समझाऊंगा सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस, राइट फ्रेंड्स। सो आई विल टीच यू दिस ऑल दिस, that what is support and resistance, how to place support and resistance. So it will be our first important topic that we will start from tomorrow. Okay, so today I will close the session here only. So if you have any query, you please ask me that how to do what, and okay, right friends. So ये आपको समझ आ गया सुमन सर, कैसे हम ट्रेंड लाइन, सॉरी कैसे हम, हाँ जी सर बोलिए, बोलिए सर। हाँ हाँ